So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to solve a LeetCode problem number 263 ugly number. This is very simple and interesting mathematical problem that check whether a number contain only specified primary factor. So let's understand the problem statement first. We have given an integer n. A number is called an ugly number if it is a prime factor only including 2, 3 and 5. We need to return true if the number is ugly, otherwise false. Let us understand this by example. Number 6. Prime factor are 2 into 3. Only contain 2 and 3. So it is an ugly number. Now take 8. It contains 2, 2, 2. Now it contains 2 to 2. So again it is a factor of 2. So it is an ugly number. Now take 14. 14 let 2 into 7. Here 7 is present which is not allowed. So 14 is not an ugly number. The idea is simple. If a number is ugly, then after continue dividing it by 2, 3 and 5, the final value should become 1. Because ugly number contain only the prime factors. Approach. First, if n is if n is less than equals to 0, we directly return false because ugly number are in positive only, not in negative. Then keep dividing by 2 while then keep dividing by 2, keep dividing by 3, keep dividing by 5. After remaining all these factors, if the number become 1, it is ugly number, otherwise not. Now let's move on the code. If n is less than equals to 0, then directly return false while n modulus 2 equals to 0, n divided by 2 while n modulus 3 equals to 0, n equals to 3 while n modulus 5 equals to 0, n of equals to 5, then return n equals to 1. Here is the code. Let's check it is perfect or not. Yes, the code seems to be perfect. Now I am explaining the code line by line. First we check if n is positive or not. If it is yes, then return. Then we will check the while loop. If n is in negative, then we directly write the false. Now we use while loop. First, while number is divisible by 2, divide it by 2. In second loop, if number is divisible by 3, then divide it by 3. If the number is divisible by 5, then divide by 5. If the remaining number is exactly equals to 1, then it means it is a ugly number. Then return true. If it is not, otherwise not, then return false.